So this is a 2018 yaris, and today I'm going to set the maintain light on. So let's start up. And there you can see the maintain light is on. So what we're going to do is we use this pad here. So this is navigation, home, and the back button, and enter, and left, right, up, and down. And if you look at the screen right now, it's on navigation, right? So we want to go home. Okay. So now we are here. So like I said, we're gonna use the basic two: left, right, up, down, enter, and back. So that's how we're gonna use. So we are over here right now. I'm gonna go to the left, and push enter. You can go down, enter, and you can do reschedule, and to push reset. Go to the right, enter, reset, and now you can push back. You can do something for tire if you want to do that. Push enter, go down, enter, go to the right, enter, and go back. Now show everything is 100%. But if you want to do the oil change, you can also do is just go enter, go down, reset, and after that you can just go back to home. I mean wherever you want, home, navigation. But that's all there is to it.